This called soul food. You understand? Little white rice on the side. Take the file paper, cover it, simmer down, then it good to go. Ronaldinho, he loves his little white rice. So yes, this seafood is mine. You can see it doesn't have lots of things over it, just plain like that. Yes, the juice at the bottom, you dip as you go. Some want it. Yes, this is mine. Look good though, Lisa. I'm not lie, you're going with yourself. So as you can see, Ronaldina and Sarah food look totally different. The spice and the pepper, everything does throw upon it. My girl over here, so Sarah, she love her lemon. So she have a style of squeezing the lemon all over for her seafood. You see them, I take them photograph. My son and my daughter-in-law proud of me.